4 years since his last PBA game. And now, Greg Slaughter is ready to take the Pinoy step back to the PBA. Yes, that Greg Slaughter. The 7-foot gentle giant na minsang naging muka ng Barangay Ginebra. Rookie of the Year, Best Player of the Conference, 4-time champion. Pero bigla siyang nawalang closure. At sabi nga nila, when a giant falls, the sound echoes. Flashback tayo, February 2020. Nag-expire ang kontrata niya sa Ginebra. At kahit may offer na raw, Greg decided to take a break, a sabbatical. Wala masyadong paliwanag.
I have no idea. I'm just telling you that. I'm just guessing at this point. Maybe a little bit hoping, along with that guess. But just from my conversations with him, I don't think he's out forever. I don't think he's retiring. I think he really needs to take a mental break.
May isa pang short post online nun, thanking Tim Cone and Ramon Ang. Pero may isang pangalang hindi nabanggit, si Al Francis Chua. At doon parang lumalaki yung issue. Kasi ayon mismo kay Chua, they tried to renew Greg's contract. Pero hindi naman siya nag-reach out.
Nabasa na lang, may nagsabi sa akin, kasi busy ako nagsabi sa akin na umalis daw. Ganon. Sabi ko, okay. Ganon na.
So kahit sa inyo po, he has not reached out to you either?
Hindi naman siguro kailangan kasi wala naman siyang ni-reach out kahit sino. So, again, that's his decision. He's old enough. So, no one or me to question him bakit niya ginawa o bakit ganito. Kasi matanda na. Nasa tamang edad na siya.
I think that when you're going to make a decision, you let everybody know before you let everybody know publicly. And that didn't happen. And so, I don't know, but he did communicate to me. And I did communicate that to the management after I heard about it. But after that, it's kind of out of my hands.
In short, the ball was in Greg's court, pero tahimik si Greg. Nagkaroon pa ng apologies afterwards, pero tuluyan na naghiwalay ang landas nila. Then came Northport, a new jersey, a new start, pero hindi rin nagtagal. Naalala niyo yung last second loss against Magnolia? Yung si Coach Pido, pinalitan si Greg sa final play? Doon parang sumabog lahat ng tensyon.
And then a controversial loss against Magnolia, which is actually I'm so apologetic to Greg and to the rest of the team.
Nagkaroon ng chance ulit against Rain or Shine, pero may lamat na. Hanggang sa 2022, expired ulit ang kontrata. Pero ayon kay Greg, there was no offer, no updates, no closure. So he played in Japan and in MPBL. Last year lang, 2024, nang tanungin kung babalik ba siya ng PBA, sagot niya noon, no thanks. Pero ngayong 2025, ibang Greg Slaughter na to. No longer the frustrated giant, but the father of three, a man who's learned humility. Humility to recognize what he did wrong, and humility to offer profound apologies. Bridges were burned, pero gusto niya i-repair ulit. He apologized to the PBA, he thanked Al Francis Chua, the same man he once forgot to mention. At ngayon, sinabi niyang gusto niyang makabalik, not just for himself, but for his daughters.
I definitely want to come back. I just welcomed my third daughter into the world 2 weeks ago. So, me and my family are going to be settled here for a while now. Now that my eldest daughter is getting a little older, it would be something nice to have her watch me play again. Because I put a lot of years playing in the PBA, but didn't have any of my kids to share that with yet. So if I do come back, that's one thing I want to do.
Sometimes the Pinoy step isn't about the points or the trophies. It's about taking that one hard step, the step of humility, admitting your mistakes, and finding your way home. Greg Slaughter says the PBA is family. And maybe this time, the prodigal son is finally ready to come home. Now the ball is in your hands, Titan. What will you do with the rights to signing Greg Slaughter? Aabangan natin yan. Kaya like and subscribe dito lang sa The Pinoy Step.
Offense, and now he has 5 points. An inside shot and a nice three-pointer. Slaughter contact basket. Chance for a three-point. And more importantly, you're putting up your two fingers with 2 fouls early.